Hey, thanks for stopping by my welcome video. My name is Patrick Steil, and just wanted to take a few minutes here and just kind of introduce myself to you. I'm really looking to bring value to an organization as an Adobe Commerce Magento Solutions Architect, and wanted to tell you what I think that means. I think that is someone who has one foot in the sales side of things and one foot in the development side of things. Um, on the sales side, I'm really good at working with customers on the front end, developing rapport with them, building up that trust. In sales, it's all about trust, right? People buy from people that they trust, and I think that I'm pretty good sitting down one on one with a customer and helping them see that we understand their needs, that we can fulfill those needs, and that we can do it on budget and on time. And that's because I get into the details, right? So it's not just enough to know, oh, we're just going to do this project and it's going to be, $500,000 or something. We need to know, like, what is the actual project? What is the scope of work? What does that look like, starting from a high level, and then diving as far as we need to into, like, what are the technical specs for this particular project? What are all the different systems we might need to integrate with, whether that's doing API work or other middleware software to be able to move data back and forth and things like that. What other kinds of automations are needed to really make Magento be to make it fit into their existing sort of systems and services and all that kind of thing. And then that might get into, well, then what third-party modules might we need to bring in to their Magento platform, as well as what custom modules might we need to actually build, and what are the specs on those? So let's get into the details of what that means. And so whatever level of detail we can possibly do on the front end to make sure that we understand a proper scope of work, so that we can put together a robust proposal, a proposal that is going to be realistic for the budget and the time frame, both that the customer is driving, but then also just making sure that we're signing up for something that we can live with, right? And then on the technology and the development side, because I have this breadth of knowledge about how to do all these integrations, how to do custom development, how to architect solutions that are going to actually work, I can work with the project managers and or developers to figure out a project plan. What does this 6-month project look like? How do we break that down? What are the milestones that we need to meet? What are the things that we need to accomplish this month? What are the things that we need to accomplish this week? What do we need to accomplish today to stay on target, right? And then, in that on that on the technical side and also on the sales side, communications is so important. So making sure people are updated. I love recording videos, and so a lot of times I'll do a video recording to show people the status of things, to show them our progress, to review, a status document, things like that, and that can cut down on meetings, unnecessary meetings. But I love meeting with clients as well, meeting with whoever on video calls. That's very quick and easy and great way to communicate with folks. Let them know how things are going, where things are going very well, where things might be lagging behind, all those kinds of things, and just being upfront and honest with everybody on the team. There's just no other way. So that's kind of what I'm about, what I think I can do to bring value to your team. Just a little bit about our last Magento project. This was a very big project. We had like 60,000 categories, 25,000 products. We ended up integrating with probably about 10 different third-party modules, and then we created about 30 different of our own custom modules. This is for a site that does like $40 to $50 million per year. And their system is live, it's performing well, everything is going wonderfully. And one of the biggest goals of going to Magento was so that we would then have the hooks to be able to integrate them with their backend ERP system, which we did, and that's working tremendously well. So rather than having to pay someone to sit there and do data entry for their web orders to go into their ERP, that's now flowing in automatically. So that's a true blessing for that client. And those are the kinds of opportunities that we look for. How can we help cut down on manual labor? How do we automate things? How do we make processes better and try to give them some type of competitive advantage over their competition, and things like that. So all those things are, it was a great project. Very happy to have helped that client and would look forward to helping you with your Magento projects. All right, thank you. My name is Patrick Steil. Thank you. Have a good day.